We all understand at this point, unless you've been living under the biggest rock to ever grace this planet, when Nvidia starts to run in this market, it starts to run very quickly. The best stock performer in 2023, nearly the best in 2024, and one of the top in 2025. This thing has been an absolute monster. And recently we can see it's been kind of sideways. It's actually barely up since the start of the year, which is weird for a company that's powering the most important industrial revolution to ever exist. So are we primed for a big move? Well, two things we got to talk about. One, it's highly dependent on what all the big tech players are saying. If they come out and say that their capex is going to continue to blow up out of this world, that means a lot of it's going to Nvidia chips to enhance their AI capabilities, to build out their data center infrastructure. And two, are we seeing early signs of that? Because we have Nvidia as a top signal with two relatively simple strategies: consecutive up days of 1% or more, and some signs of institutional buying. Buying after two consecutive up days of 1% or more on Nvidia. Again, we're trying to evaluate when the stock starts to run, how fast does it run. It's relatively consistent, 89 total times over the past 6 years, just about, going back to 2020. Over a 57% win rate. Average win and average loss are similar. Some decent win streaks, some big days, some really bad days. But this signal is a great starting point. As you can see, a 2.24% over the market. And this edge really starts to show itself over a 5, 10, 30-day period. Obviously, the stock's been one of the best performers over the past few years, so this should make sense. The thing hurting it is definitely its risk profile. Some really big drawdowns, but you get the idea. It's a relatively strong signal, and I feel at this point there's some major catalysts to be had, especially with earnings right around the corner, especially with Nvidia GTC 2026. Will Nvidia end up being one of the best performing stocks in 2026 as well?